Dreaming of studying at top national law university? Let's explore the Rajiv Gandhi National University of Law in Patiala. Hello everyone, I am Kartika and welcome back to another episode of Law School Insight. Rajiv Gandhi National University of Law, Patiala is ranked amongst India's top national law universities. From its historic legacy to stellar placements, here's everything you need to know. First, history and establishment. Established in 2006 under the Punjab Act No. 12 of 2006, named after former PM Rajiv Gandhi. It initially operated from Mohindra Kothi, Patiala, before shifting to its 50-acre permanent campus in 2013. Recognized by UGC and Bar Council of India. Second, academic programs and seats. It offers BA LLB Honours, which is a 5-year integrated law program having 180 seats. For general category, there are 134 seats, for SC, 27 seats, ST, 14 seats, and for foreign nationals, there are 5 seats. Its supernumerary quota is as follows: 10% additional seats for all India economically weaker sections, which is 18 seats, additional seats for wards of Kashmiri migrants, 9 seats, J&K residents, 2 seats, non-residential Indians, NRI, 5 seats. Out of total 180 seats, there's a horizontal reservation which is as follows. 1 seat is reserved for ancestral resident of village Sindhuwal, 5% which is 9 seats for especially abled persons, 10% which is 18 seats for Punjab residents plus BC category. It also provides LLM with specializations in business law, constitutional law, etc. And it also provides PhD and LLD. Third, eligibility for admission. The admission is based on the merit in the common law admission test. However, to qualify for admissions, the candidate must have passed 10+2 examination of the Punjab School Education Board or its equivalent with minimum 45% and 40% for SC and ST candidates. Second, candidates appearing in or awaiting the results of the qualifying examination held or being held in April-May of the next year may also apply and appear for the common law admission test and get provisional admission, subject to the condition that they shall produce the proof of having passed the qualifying examination with the prescribed percentage of marks at the time of interview counseling for the admissions at the RGNUL campus. Fourth, rankings. RGNLU has been placed among the top 10 law institutions in the country by NIRF in 2019 and again in 2020 and has bagged the 16th position out of the top 30 institutes of law in NIRF, ranked 18th in 2021 and 2022. 20th in 2023 and 24th in 2024. NAAC accreditation, A grade for academic excellence. Fifth, campus facilities. Asia's largest single subject library, 39,000 plus volumes, Manupatra, SSC Online Access, Moot Court Hall, Supreme Court style setup for practical training. Hostels, AC rooms, gym, 24/7 security and Wi-Fi. Sports complex, stadium, badminton courts and gym. 6. Student life and committees, 20 plus committees, Moot Court Society, Legal Aid Cell, Literary and Debate Club. Its flagship events are National Moot Court Competition, Justice Y.V. Chandrachud Lecture Series, Sports and Cultural Annual Fest, Inter-University Tournaments, etc. 7. Fee structure. The fee for BA LLB is approx 3 lakhs per year, which is the tuition fee. 8. Placements. The median salary is 9 lakhs per annum and the top recruiters are Trilegal, AZB and Partners, EY, and government bodies such as Punjab Legal Services Authority. Internships. Clerkship under the Supreme Court judges, NGOs and corporates. 9th, the most important thing, cutoffs. For BLLB, the cutoffs as per CLAT 2024 are, for general category, it's AIR 1250. And did you know this is the only NLU with dedicated Center for Prison Administration? Convinced that RGNLU Patiala is your dream NLU? And for CLAT preparation tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.